Ever feel unusually hungry, thirsty, or tired? These might be early signs of type 2 diabetes. Today, nearly 1 in 9 adults around the world lives with diabetes, mostly type 2, according to the International Diabetes Federation. Frequent urination and dry mouth happen when excess glucose enters the bloodstream and kidneys try to flush it out. Unexplained weight loss or slow wound healing may occur due to prolonged high blood sugar affecting metabolism and circulation. Vision changes or tingling in hands or feet could indicate nerve or eye damage caused by uncontrolled blood sugar. Feeling exhausted even after full rest, that may be due to insulin resistance preventing cells from using energy properly. If left untreated, type 2 diabetes can increase risks of heart attack, stroke, kidney disease, and vision loss. Good news, managing diabetes starts with diet, regular exercise, early screening, and sometimes medication. If you notice any symptoms, talk to your healthcare provider. Early detection is life-saving. For more easy-to-understand medical videos, subscribe and tap the bell icon.